on this 7.6.5, the case study for our community or association certificate, or we can call that is a proven letter. Last video we did this one single person, so we make this nice documents. So if you look at from here, so we generate the 4 paragraphs. Within the body paragraph, we use a variable, including this is also variable. Use a variable to form a list of our list of elements that we can apply to our underline style. And also we have used the font. You have used the alignment and the indent, the not color, but we also use the font name, not only font size. So those are the things we have already perfect create our proven letter for one single person. But before the end of this chapter, the author mentioned this using Python to do one individual letter is not the purpose, and you can also feel it's even more complicated than you just write this manually in Word. But what if you have a list of your classmates' information, and for every line of information, you need to create this certificate. So which means you need to use those different columns to replace those underlined information. Then using Word, you need to manually copy, paste, and replace quite a lot the field. And these are not like Excel. You cannot have a formula. For sure, you can write some VBA, but using this merge field. But that is not our the topic. Our topic is if you have these 11 classmates, how you can use our existing knowledge in this Python to capable generate a list of the Word document for you. So those are we can consider is if you have that Excel. So actually, it's in this library or this repository. I already create this Excel for you. So these are the same as what these authors in the source file. So those are our Excel file. So you can imagine is what we are going to do. We need to read. First is we need to load this Excel. Then we use the individual letter generating to replace row by row. So then every replacing finished, we can generate one document. So think about this is quite direct. So we should reuse what our 7651's this Python's code. Then let's save that to our tool. So let's make this 2. And what we will generate is, let's first also generate, go to 2, so that we don't impact our original the documents. So let's see. So I close this one and look at this book. So what we will do is we need to load our this file. So first is let's see how we can load this Excel. So let me make our 7653 so document to deal with Excel. So this not this chapter's content, but is used over the knowledge from the last chapter. So using PyXL. So I hope it's your library is still loadable. So load workbook. So our current work path is still 7.6, and our text file is here. So we will make a definition is read Excel, and we will use that later. So give a pass, and then there is a pass. Let's see. So and first we define our calling. So if magic method underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to min, so which means is we load from inside. So students equal to read. So we will use our read Excel function and to do this 765 and print student. So those are nothing will run because they don't create anything. They read something and generate none because they try to read this file. It's reach this the directory with a path, but we don't generate anything here. So we already have our load workbook. Let's start to create our workbook. Is using the load workbook, and the path is transferred from our calling, and worksheet is we just have one workbook worksheet, so active. So and the student list equal to our list from our for loop for I row in enumerated worksheet rows. If I equals 0, so that is the header row, we will skip. Otherwise, we skip. Then, if not, we will continue use the student dictionary we will create. We'll have name row 0 value colleague. It's a list of the rows, so and then major row second. So you need to keep in mind in your mind is name, college, major, class, and association, the drawing year, and proven date. So those are our source data. So let's use that in your dictionary. So class row 3 and association row 4 and drawing year row 5. Last is the proof date row 6. So we have 7 column. Then you can have this comma or no need. It's fine. So if is instance row 6, so the last column dot value is int, so date raise exception 先在 Excel 把日期转换成文本格式。And student list. So we have the student list. It's empty. Now we make that append still dict. And we will put here. So return student list. And then we can print this. Print this is the printer. Student is the return. So let's see. Oh, so here is very great. So we have this list, and every list have this dictionary. So this dictionary first is Bing Bing, then next is Hua Hua. So let's see. So Bing Bing Hua Hua. So that's perfect. So and also the let's print len student. So 11. So we have the 11 lines. So that's great. So and we don't need this. So that means so if we load from internal, we will get this the students. So now if I put that is read Excel is here, we will return students, and we will use this student list. So this is our students. Let's make that customized. So these are our individuals. Let's use this copy of students. This one. The first one we will load, and then we will have this doc, so different doc. So this one we will use first. And before we deal with the documents, we will make read Excel. So from here, read student list from prepared Excel file. So all those return. So we don't need this one. So we just need our function. So we copy this to here. Great, we have this one. And now we return our student list. So what we will use to change is we will have save templates. So save templates, if not a student dict or not instance, we will have that difference. So we have our variable. So those variable will be changed to the student dict. So the different part. So let's remove our variables for now. And we will pack our this following code into our word-based the function. So def save template. We will use a student dict. And then this will be coming to the bottom. So let's see. For student in, print student doc let's see. So for run, doc save. So we will save here, and if name. So this one will be. So we will go all of them. So here should be part of this function. So let's starting to examine what we will need to do first. The first one is if it's not our dictionary. We need to transfer the correct dictionary inside this variable, or not is instance. So we need to have some basic error handling, still dict. So we check if that's not our dictionary, then we will print argument error. Please give one dictionary type. And then from here is we will return without any calculation. And then we starting to, if that is a dictionary, then we need to load this dictionary. So this one is same, and we have this run list, and this until here. So we have our own way to make this 22, and make this the first paragraph is no change. The big change is on the body and those footer. So this one is the same, and the run list from here we will have student list, and put that into the student list element. So student dict. So this will use the variable we transferred in. So student dict, but here is we need to code that. And then I can copy this to be used. The major is also with this class. Ensure is you have this underscore class. And the name. It's not special, it's just to convert that to the used dictionary element. So they will follow the same way. So associate. Ensure is you do this careful, and here is nothing change. For run in run list, we do this same, and we give the font, and then we go to this font size, font name, and associate. We will change. So here, and the proven date. Here last we also have our name. Where is the name? Oh, the save. So here we also have our save. Until here we have changed everything. And for this document save, we also need to replace that as the here. So with F is this part. Let's see. So, and with this one, and let's make student name. Just to be careful. So name dot 参加社团证明。So those are our function is done. And what we do here is also use this magic. So if we will load that from the internal program. So it's a min. Then we give the parameter transfer. Students is read Excel. Read Excel. So that is our function. And Excel is a 7-5.xlsx. So that is our read in, and then print students. So before we start to generate a large list of the documents, okay, the print is fine. So that means we correctly load the read Excel. Then for student in students. So this is very easy. So we use a loop. It's a transfer every time one student's list the name, then save. Because students is our dictionary. Templates, student. So let's create this output. Let's make this output. Let's see. Class. So this one, student was the run in save templates 52. So this one class. Class, then we have this bracket, student class. Oh, this, I think it's so we don't have the class underscore. So let's see. Output. Oh, we don't have this folder yet. So let me create a folder. And we are in here, and let's see. Oh, great! So we in the these authors here, please double check with your code, because this is called, I think it's author is copied from the individual one. In our load, this when we define our read Excel, this doesn't need our underscore behind this class. So you should not use this underscore after the class. So this one should be corrected. And after that is you get those list of the documents, and every word is load this different person's information. So that is the way I hope you can feel the exciting is when you have the powerful weapon using Python. This is one great sample that Python can help you save time and save energy instead of you make this in Word. But definitely, I should say is Word have some way to make the documents. So if we have this review, I think it's in the Word, they have the mailings, and through here, you can have the mail merge. Through this mail merge, you can also configure some templates and read from a list to fulfill your purpose. So Word is also powerful, but I hope is you can feel is your get more weapons to do the similar things and save time, and you can introduce this tactic to your colleague as well. So next video, we will move to this dimension units to talk about some more the aspect of a word. And then we have title, we have image, table, and the page setup, something not the exact the hierarchy of the structure of a Word document, but we will talk more way to configure and set up your Word document. So stay tuned. See you in this 7.7 chapter then. Have a nice day.